Draw me like one of your French girls, Jack.
So beautiful, I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad that she don't see what
oh my God, Jack, it's beautiful.
Do I look okay? I said,
it's been a really gay video. I don't even know why you're watching this, but enjoy.